Hello, hello. Welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. So we have another new problem here in the GED HiSET Math General Education Diploma Equivalency Exam. And we're going to talk about probability. Let's just get right on in here to it. What is the probability of tossing 4 tails in a row when using a quarter with one side heads and the other side tails? Question. So we have some options here. We have option A, 1/2, B, 1/4, C, 1/16, and D, 3/2. All right, so I have a test taking strategy I'd like to go over with you here. In this test taking strategy, you're trying to eliminate A, B, C, or D. 1 or 2 or maybe even 3 out of the 4 options, which increases your chances of guessing the answer correctly. So in this particular example, the test taking strategy has to do with option D, 3/2, right? And that represents 3 out of 2 ratio. Or if you're going to write that as a division problem, you would say 3 divided by 2. And so what I wanted to show you here is that if you punch in your calculator, 3 divided by 2, if you're doing it manually, 3.000 all divided by 2, you'll end up with 1.501.5, right? Or 150%. You convert this decimal into a percent, you move that decimal 2 places to the right, add the symbol, and you get 150%. I've created a number of videos on fractions to decimals to percents. Please watch those videos. They will help you in understanding what it is I'm explaining here. So you can eliminate answer D. What does this mean? It means 150% of the time you're going to end up with the tails. And, maybe you can get it 100% of the time. That might be possible, but 150% of the time is not possible. Cross off answer D. All right, stick with me. Part 2, I'll show you how to answer this particular type of question. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. If these videos helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining me.